Hey Social Fam, it's Vanessa Cole with Cole Klein Builders. Today I've partnered with Floor Decor to pick out some amazing design selections. So let's go inside and let's get this project started. Today we're doing a sneak peek of the design process with lead designer Kelly from My Current Houses. But for those of you at home that are working on your own project, it's super simple to schedule an appointment. Just come to the Floor Decor Design Service Center, scan your QR code, book an appointment, and it's that simple. Let the designing begin. So Kelly, the main thing for the project doers at home, what do they need to have prepared prior to their consultation?
What we like to ask is that you come in prepared with dimensions, pictures of the space, and if you have them, inspiration pictures. If you don't have your own inspiration pictures and you're not sure what to do, we can go over a couple of different things product-wise as far as what's best for you and your home, and then see from there color schemes and things like that, and we get started with putting a look together for you. All right, Vanessa, I'm going to leave you in Jeffrey's hands, and you and I will meet back at the Design Center shortly.
Awesome. Thank you, Kelly. So Jeffrey, for builders and remodelers that are watching at home, can you share some of the services that the Pro Team offers?
So first thing is we want to save you time and money. So that means we're going to have a dedicated Pro Team for you 6 days a week to answer any questions that you and your customers have, as well as free samples. One of the biggest things I always encourage is taking home samples, looking at how it looks in your bathroom or your backsplash, making sure you fall in love with that product when you come in and look at it. Next thing is a commercial credit and commercial team. Whether you're doing a job 10,000 square feet or 100,000 square feet, we can get that product to you or staged at our DC, as well as a full service warehouse. Anytime you're making a purchase, the warehouse will pull your order and stage it for up to 14 days. We also have a Floor Decor Pro app. The app works on any smartphone. You can use it to make purchases from the app, schedule an appointment with a designer, look at products on the app as well as get directions to different stores and call different Pro Teams as well. The last thing we have is a Pro Rewards program, one of the greatest rewards programs I've ever seen. The way the program works is for every dollar that you spend up to $3,000, you get a point. Every dollar after that, the points triple. Points can be used for any concert event, any sporting event, as well as any gifts that you want to give for yourself.
So that's awesome. So pros and remodelers definitely need to take advantage of this opportunity because you guys are saving time and money, and in return for what we spend, you guys give us a reward. So let's make some magic happen. Social Fam, today's the day. It's the final reveal and I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. So come inside and let's see. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Special thank you to Floor Decor and the design team for helping us with the beautiful selections. Stay tuned, there's more to come. Until then, it's Vanessa Cole with Cole Klein Builders, signing out.